Lesson 10, page 32. This is the staff. There are lines and space notes. When you see a series of notes going line, space, line, you want to feel to the right. So you're going to play one key at a time going this direction to the right. And when you see the notes going the other way, down the stairs, you have to go this way to the left. So looking at page 33, you can see a picture of a treble clef and bass clef on this guy's right hand and a bass clef on his left hand, because most of the time, the left hand plays in the bass clef and the right hand's in the treble clef. Not always, though. A lot of times the treble clef is down in here, the right hand's down in here, and a lot of times the bass clef or left hand notes are way up in here. So this entire page is about playing one note, middle C on the piano. And we're going to play this first line with the thumb on middle C. Notice that this note is below the bottom line of the treble clef. And we're going to play this with the same key on the piano, but with the left thumb. So it's kind of like in here. This is the right hand thumb on middle C. Here's the left thumb on middle C. But they're not different notes. They're the same notes. So here is line 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, getting softer. And here's line 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The same thing, right? But I'm using my left thumb to play the same series of notes. Now look at the next song on page 35, Change on C. Here we have a half rest, which is equal to 2 quarter rests. Each of these quarter rests gets 1 count. Okay? That symbol that looks like a hat is a half rest, which is right here, and that gets 2 counts. But this rest, notice, is not in the same place as this one. Here it sits on the top of the middle line. This rest is attached to the bottom of the second line from the top. And so that's called a whole rest. It means from this bar line to this bar line is no sound. This half rest means that half of this measure is a rest. So when you see that, you're going to go rest, rest, and you're going to change to the left hand. These notes are with the left hand. These notes here are with the right hand. But we're going to be using the same key, playing the same key over and over again, which is middle C, switching the fingers around like this in the right hand, and then switching the fingers around like this in the left hand. But I'm still just playing one key on the piano. I'm just going to be using 6 fingers to play one key. So let's try that from the beginning. Try to keep your eyes on the score and feel like this, the change. Ready, play. Change to 2, and change to 1. Now the left hand 3 comes in there. Change to 2, and change to the thumb. Okay, that is page 35. Page 36. In this 1A book, page 11 and 12, Cloud Pictures has the right thumb on D, the left thumb is on C. This is the left hand here, okay, and the right hand is playing these notes right here. Notice this is going up the stairs, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 here. These notes are going down the stairs, the other way to the left. So here's the right thumb on D, the left thumb is on C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now feeling to the right here. Here's the left 4 and the right 4. Back to the beginning. Now go 1 octave higher, and we're going to play this as a duet, slower. 1, 2, 3. beginning. And now we're going to go on to page 12, grandfather's clock. Here's the right hand position and C position. The left hand 2 is going to play G, and then it's going to move down to C. So right in here, your left hand 2 plays this G and it moves to C. So when you make that move from here to here, look at this finger real quick, move it down to this C right here, from this G to here, and then you got to put your eyes back to the score. That's the only time you want to take a look at your fingers. So here's the left hand 2 on G. This is the right hand position. 1, 2, 3. Move the left hand 2 to C. Play the duet. Keep your hands right where they are. My part, which is the bottom of page 12, is going to be higher. So I'm going to move my hands up higher here to here. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3. Six. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's page 12. And now we're on the piano book. And we're going to be playing pages 25 to 26. Page 25. This is the staff. 5 lines and 4 spaces, and they're numbered like this. And this is what it looks like on a staff. Now here you just see 5 lines, but there's a lot more lines that go up higher like this, and there's a lot more lines that go lower like this. The same thing with the space notes. There are space notes that go way up here and go way down here. Basically, it works like this. If something has a line through it, even a ledger line through it, a short line, it's a line note. And if it does not have a line through it, if a note head does not have a line through it like these notes don't, then we call those notes space notes. So there are a lot more space notes and a lot more line notes than this. This is the treble clef, and the bass clef looks like this. All right, and page 26 shows you how notes move on the staff. They can move by step like this, or by skip, or by repeat. Now this song right here called the C song is in C position. We need to understand that this is middle C. That note below the line is called D. The bottom line of the treble clef is E. The bottom space is F, and the second line from the bottom is G. But we also have to understand that this is middle C, and these notes are feeling up by step, 1 finger at a time. Movement is up by step. So when I look at these notes, I think my thumb is on middle C. I think up a step, up a step, up a step, up a step. I don't read C, D, E, F, G. I read thumb on middle C, step up, step up, step up, step up. It's a lot easier to read it that way. And then here I would read step down, step down, step down, step down. So try reading those notes that way, by up by step or down by step. Here's the right thumb. Ready, begin. Up a step, up a step, up a step, up a step. That's a half note. Repeat that note again. Repeat it again, and feel down by steps here. Repeat the thumb. Okay, that's pretty easy. Let's go on to the next book here. This is the technique book, the pink technique book. Today we're playing pages 4 and 5. Sea whale, ocean octopus, merry-go-round, and circus clown. This is in 2/4 time. We're going to count to 2. Ocean octopus is in 3/4. We're counting to 3. Merry-go-round and circus clown, we're going to count to 4 because we're in 4/4 time. Here we go. C position, both hands. Lift the fingers. Ready, go. Back octopus. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The merry-go-round on page 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning. And circus clown on the bottom of page 5. Left hand 5 starts this one. 1, 2, ready, play. Keep the fingers curved. Lift one finger at a time. Right 5. Back to the beginning again. Right hand 5. Okay, and now we're going to go on to the performance book. Pages 10 and 11. The beginning of each of these 4 lines goes by skips, and then it changes to steps. This starts by skips, changes to steps, same thing happens here. Goes by skips here, changes to steps. These are skips, and back to steps. Halloween fun. 1, 2, ready, play.